Nigel D'Souza, the stock on his radar is an underperforming real estate company which has huge unsold inventory in the prime location of BKC. Nigel, take it away.
That's right, Sonia. The stock that we're talking about is Sunteck Realty, and if we take a look at it, it has massive developable, saleable land. That's around 24 million square feet approximately, but their share in this particular venture is only around 12.5 million square feet or thereabout. But as you said, yes, it's been a big underperformer. If you take a look at a couple of stocks, a lot of real estate stocks have moved quite a bit in FY17 itself, but Sunteck Realty is sitting with a gain of only around 12%, though in the recent past it has moved considerably. Now, the big question is there value? Remember, the company follows project completion method. So if we're looking at revenues, margins and all, they count for little. You need to look at what exactly is their finished inventory and then take a discounting cash flow to get the real value of the company. That's why I came up with this chart. The market capitalization currently is around 1,600 crores. They have unsold completed inventory at BKC itself. That's more than 2,100 crores. So that's important. That's, in a prime location of BKC, there's no much oversupply as well there. So I'll be watching that very, very closely. And projects under execution, that's in BKC as well as in Goregaon. That's nearly around 2,100 crores. Keep in mind, they have loans of close to around 700 crores that they borrowed at roughly around 10.5 to around 11% or thereabouts. Now, the big overhang on the stock really, there was a lot of talk that Kotak Alternate Opportunities Fund, they held around 36 lakh shares in the company. We have seen a couple of big block deals just in the last 1 month. So one block deal, we saw Kotak exiting close to around 22 lakh shares or thereabouts. And also we had another big block deal of around 5 lakh shares that got traded. We don't know the buyer or seller of that. But maybe that was, we could be watching out for more block deals, but that could be a bit of an overhang that was on the stock. The promoter holding is at around 74%. Let's get that chart up for you. Promoter holding at around 74%. We had a big FI in there that has around 4.2%, and Ashish Dhawan as well has around 1.8%. Short point, it's a very tightly held company. Finally, maybe the risk could be they're sitting on such big inventory. What if they can't sell it because the size is very big? The ticket size is rather big. They're skewed towards the Mumbai market. We have seen they've been doing joint developments as well in the past. And also they've been doing various partnerships with PE partners. Maybe, in fact, this is a stock that has been a big underperformer. But that inventory and liquidation, that's going to be the key. Back to you.
All right, Nigel, thanks a lot for that. So that's the stock on Nigel's radar. As a standard disclaimer, these are not recommendations. These are just some observations on individual stocks. Let's